Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Baseus W09 earbuds with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to just open the case and remove the left and the right earbud. Now just wait until they synchronize, and then when they start blinking, there we go. So put them close to your MacBook, then go to the Bluetooth settings. Open the Bluetooth settings right here. Now we have to turn it on with the switcher. And from the nearby devices list, now we just have to select our earbuds. Just wait until they appears on the list. If it takes too much time, I can recommend you to put it back to the charging case. There we go. Then click and hold this button. It's located right here. Keep holding for a few seconds. And now release. Next, just remove both earbuds. And as you can see right now, they appears on available devices list. So click connect. And right now we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.